How to use OBS Studio to record a screen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your OBS Studio. After that, you would be able to find this plus icon under the sources. Simply click on it, then select the option of display capture. After that, click on OK. After that, you can adjust the settings according to your needs and preferences and click on OK. Now you need to click on the plus icon again, and this time select the option of audio capture. Simply select audio input capture, then click on OK. Now click on the device option and select the microphone that you are looking to use while recording the screen. And after that, click on OK. Now click on display capture under the sources and you would be able to find the settings over here. For it, simply click on settings and after that click on output. Now you can make some changes to it according to your needs and preferences, like the video format that you are looking for and all the other stuff. After that, click on start recording, and this way you would be able to record the screen of yours with the audio, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.